Hello guys, welcome back to the second part of the video. I just basically want to finish off this video with saying to you guys, thank you guys so much, and stay subscribed and support the channel because I have got something really fun and cool coming up once tonight and tomorrow's coming around. So basically most of tomorrow I'm going to end up getting a little bit of tidying done. Apparently the stairs, and there's no point doing the stairs. Personally, it's no point in me doing the stairs until the sounds as Forney's doing, because you know you're just trying to mess up again. So, but yeah, how's my relationship with a few things that would. Well, I have a variety of relationships that can work in very different ways for many people, or pets, or animals, or even dolls. It's just that sometimes it has to find. Relationship with pets are very different to with people because it's a very different thing. Psst. So yeah, I'm basically just trying to sort out my rower because I really wanted something to set up in a way it's going to have 3 lines, and the other lines will be for branch lines. Basically, wouldn't it be really cool to have a set of branch lines that set up around on the third loop, and then round on that third loop you can have all the branch lines parked up, all on the one end up that end, and space it out and stuff like that. So basically they end up going to have times where I'm going to be filming and basing this layout on something I always wanted to build on, but I'm going to have to sort of work way around it somehow. So you've got the third line there, which is this one, and then it's just going to have to go off and then round that loop there and then round again, and that row sounds really gross. I'll be back 1 second guys, I'm just going around the other side of the table while saying this. But, we need to get this track sorted so we're ready and prepared for the new set of track. I'm hoping to get this track ready, organised, ready for the new set of tracks I'm going to put in. When I said new, it's going to be the March newest planning, but it's also going to be very spread out when it comes to the railway because the track could do with spreading out a bit. And then one of those, and then branching off that one there, and that one will go over there. So very soon guys, I'm going to be pausing the video, going to put some food on, and then watch some over Futurama, season of The Walking Dead. Highly recommend watching the season of The Walking Dead guys, it's a great program. It's like a storyline basically, like True Blood was, but different. If you're into comedy, like Coronation Street and all that, I've been on to season 4. Well, I don't know what they call them. Seasons are usually long programs, like 15 minutes or an hour. Program's about 30, so it could be a short film, I suppose. But yeah, it's just a program. Basically, it's a comedy program. If you're into comedy, that's your sort of thing. If you're into horror things, like The Walking Dead and all that. The Walking Dead is more your thing. So you'll find programs that you will like and you won't like. But you also find out with people. You find people you do like and you don't. I'm not keen on it, you know, most of the people I have met are fairly friendly, but you get the odd ones or two that will suddenly jump up and they ask some for you, but yeah. Relationships, as I said, I generally don't have problems with friendship, but I did have with Marina at the time, but as I said, it's a mistake we all make. Sometimes telling truth is not always the best telling someone. I did it because, she probably wanted to know sooner or later, and I felt talking about all the things I talk about now is because there's also another thing come up as on my mind like since Sunday, as new comedy program and well not new comedy program, new videos of Bowie is coming out next autumn with building the Bowie, so next year will be just basically building up lots of the Bowie. This year I'm going to start building the scenery around the first and second line, but the third line is going to take a little while to build up because the gap in between the rails and stuff, so I expect that's going to take a little while to build. And Mr. Darcy is on camera. Is any of you guys asking like, do I own any of these cats? No, they're all my mum's, but obviously Darcy tends to treat me as his. Not going to complain too much, but it's nice when you have a pet that seems to think you know someone else's owner. It's kind of funny in some way, but I think maybe he doesn't like Pamela that much, but you see dancing in videos sometimes. I mean, it's on the video right now in front of you. Other news, cartoon videos are going to be delayed until next year now, just because I'm getting PC and my clothes for my doll as well once it's arrived. But after that, I know I'm just going to get a train on my birthday. Know what train I'm after? It's going to be the class either 170 or the class 70 or the class 68 or even the class 87 by Hornby or Batman. And I think next year is going to be the saving up for the Blue Pullman and the HST and the 166. Careful, Dust. Basically there's going to be some new stuff that are going to be a priority to my life, and they're going to be funny for you because I'm going to react to my old videos again, which I haven't done in a very long time. It's been nearly 3 years since I last I reacted to one of my old videos, and I think that'd be a good time to react to it because some of you guys seem to like reaction videos I used to do, and some of you liked there's other reaction videos I used to do for you. Trying to think of this. I can't remember what it's called. Guys, apologise, but I don't know what the name of the course reaction video yet. Some old videos from the way I used to talk and the way I used to do my outros and stuff, intros as well. It's been a year since I last did the first time I started editing. Wow, has it really been that long? It's been a year since I've done my editing program and I started editing, and yes, I do enjoy doing the raw videos, but sometimes I like to mix them up with, editing software stuff, so it means that we get a combination of both. Would I film the railway? Well, at some point, guys, yeah, I will. I will film my proper, like my dream model railway, because I know for a fact that this model railway I'm building is going to take me probably the best part until the year I move house. Which I know what that means to some people, but you know, to my mum and all, but what's wrong with the railway I got now? There's nothing wrong with it, as I said. It's just I much prefer having a railway, you know, dedicated to my dreams and stuff, but I also wanted to continue having a model railway for the rest of my life, in the aspect of how I build and run and all sorts of things, like this train here, the Blue Pullman. Now this is not the premium Blue Pullman, by the way. This is the budget one by Hornby. Now I don't have the motor piece, otherwise I would have had it running by now, but I don't have the motor piece, so you have to wait until I get the motor part back in to get her moving, but properly, not run by some that other train I got, so you have to wait for that. But yeah, once I start getting her back and running, as well as the 350 and the Class 170 and the 158 and the 150s and things like that, before you know it, by the time I leave my faith, by the time I've done the things I want to do in my life, I'm going to settle down, play my model hours, have my relationship with my doll, have the friend, having the bond of relationship with you guys on YouTube and Twitter and Instagram, TikTok and Facebook and all that. That means I can reply a lot more to you once I settle down, because right now I'm being chasing around. I'm not quite there, settling down in my life yet, but I'm heading that way. I don't want to settle down too much in this house, but I want to settle down at least a little bit in this place before I end up moving again, because I want to film as much possible I can while I'm living here. But once I leave, you know, this house, I want to film in my new place. And guys, I'm not gonna I know some people seem to think I'm annoying you a lot of the time. I'm not. It's because the hours I do, the sleeping and the filming and stuff, it's because it's been mixed around a lot lately, and I'm trying to get it back into the order it used to be. Basically getting up in the morning time, like mid-morning, and basically go. Also in summer this year, around July, August time, I get my gym equipment in this garage. To be honest, guys, I really prefer, you know, you guys to support and your love and your friendliness with it all. I generally do appreciate everyone, even Marina. But the thing I have problems with, it's not people generally. Okay, it's sometimes me, sometimes it's someone else. It's not saying I'm pointing any fingers at anyone, but it's, I don't know how to explain it.